I've been sleeping on the floor for the last few nights, and it's a lot better for my back and my body because the cushion is way too...
It's called mattress.
This is way too...
Soft.
Way too soft and way too much cushion.
It's not that much. It's not a great bed.
And so it's not easy to sleep on. And I'd rather sleep on a hard surface and a hard floor, even though it's carpet, so it still is a little bit cushioned. But yeah, and it's so much better. I've been sleeping good. Today I slept in because it's been a long execution week and a lot of things one after the other. So now I'm gonna just hang out with Mama and do some yoga with her and then get to some internal work, back-end systems, and refine my processes a little bit more. I like to go with the flow. Don't do that often, so whenever I do it. Just had a great yoga class with my mom, and then we went out to eat at this one friend of mine's that I met in Vietnam. Went out to his brother's restaurant, and they gave us some free wings. So tasty. Just showing up and being curious about other people and inviting them into our life. My life. I wanted to go over there and meet my friend's brother. And we did, and had a great conversation. And now I'm enjoying their delicious wings. So tasty. So tasty. Wow. Being curious about other people and just inviting them. Being genuine. Always goes a long way. It's been such a busy day, I forgot to vlog a bunch of stuff. So I've been doing a lot of work on the computer ever since I got home from eating chicken wings. And these chicken wings were so good. Very happy to have them. And all of the work that I was doing was basically trying to find a new location for the meetup next week, and then the meetup tomorrow that I have, because I was doing it all at this one location where there's not a good parking lot and it's really hard to get to in terms of traffic. So that is what I did, and I found an event space for free at this bookstore, which I'm so excited about. And they're gonna be able to host me and up to like 40 people in this little bookstore in their little room that they have, which is so awesome. That is gonna be on Tuesdays. And then I found the library that's in between St. Paul and Minneapolis that can host for the personal growth meetup, which is so awesome. I literally have a new setup now with good parking and a good space that can give it to me for free, which is so awesome. The library is for free, and this other place at the bookstore is for free. And they're actually already putting me on their events calendar for the bookstore as well. This was really, really troubling to find, and I was going through so many loopholes today to try to figure it out. And it took me a few hours to find something, and I eventually did find something. I'm so happy that I got this, because I was really starting to get like stressed and worried about what am I gonna do tomorrow, because I don't want to go to Minneapolis for this meetup in this one place that I was yesterday. And you can see how that was the whole space is just, it's too crowded. And that's one huge challenge and thing that I didn't keep in mind when I was running and putting this event together, was that I'm not supposed to do the marketing in the same place that I'm gonna host the event. And that's what I was doing. I went to this place in the city that has a lot of people around, and I first went there thinking, okay, I'm gonna do the meetup around here. But that's the wrong idea, because there's too many things going on, and it's a city that has really hard parking. It's a lot of traffic, and we want this kind of stuff to be private. It's not entertainment, what I'm doing. I'm not doing any sports or music or dating shows. We're talking about personal development here. It's things that are a lot about discussion and communication and having kind of a quiet space to do that so we can actually hear each other. So this is really, really, a really important distinction that I recognized when I was at this location yesterday. And I didn't realize that until I had the meetup where one person came. Now I have 4 people coming tomorrow, which I'm super excited about. And yeah, it's gonna be great. I'm very, very excited to keep this going and see how long I can keep all of this up for the weekly consistency while I'm here, and see how many people can come by. Would really, really love it to keep it going. And now I am on the way to Egan just to go to a little store to pick up some flour for making cookies at home. I want to make some more cookies, and also to get some sourdough, just some little grocery shopping. Yeah, gonna then wind down, eat dinner, and do some editing on my YouTube video, and a little bit more reflection on how I've been doing personally, internally, and how I can keep this up consistently. So, all is well. All is well. Today is a really good slow day. I'm able to text people back now and get back to people when I haven't been responding. It's a tough process to just have so many things going on all the time. And I love that I have a lot of things going on all the time, and I don't get to honestly text that many people and get back to people enough. And it is what it is. And I'm doing my best. I'm rocking with it, doing my best to show up as best I can with the best amount of energy. So, let's keep it up. Thanks for watching.